Dropshiply. David Farah's Dropshiply. Dropshiply, crushing eCom without Shopify. 100 plus features and over $2.6 million in sales for our users. Dropshiply is a complete full-blown e-commerce platform you can use to create and run your own dropshipping businesses just by clicking 7 buttons. Build profitable stores and collect payments anywhere in the world. Dropshiply, full-blown automated dropshipping platform. You can create and run your own dropshipping stores just by clicking 7 buttons. Literally, it is a complete full-blown e-commerce platform that will get you a complete dropshipping store in literally minutes. It does all the hard work. You can connect your store or create one from complete scratch and running your business inside Dropshiply. This is the biggest level of automation. And best part, doesn't need Shopify, so no more monthly fees. Dropshiply features. Just some of Dropshiply's powerful point-and-click features. WP Connect. Automatically integrate Dropshiply fully with your existing WP stores. Store stacks. Instantly see and manage all the data from your stores right here inside your dashboard. SEO stacks. Get full SEO statistics. Title, meta description, domain authority, page rank, SEO score, Alexa global rank, country rank and more. Instant domain search. Don't have a domain for your store? No problem. Our instant domain generator will pick a domain for you in seconds. Niche intelligence technology. Know which niches will generate money before creating your store. AliExpress spy tool. We integrated the entire AliExpress platform inside Dropshiply, so you can find thousands of products that are impossible to even know exist without hours of laborious research. eBay spy. Identify top eBay products and get product ideas from top competition so you can predict how sales will go. Walmart product finder. Uncover unlimited products on Walmart you can sell on your store right away. Alexa spy. Discover traffic stats and global rankings of millions of websites and exploit untapped markets. FB Interest Explorer. Uncover thousands of profitable interest keyword phrases for your FB ad campaigns. One-click product importer. Import hundreds of products to your store within minutes. One single click. Built-in app editor. Don't like a particular element? No problem. Instantly edit product descriptions, title, price, tags, category, images, variants, and more. Store manager. Manage all your products, orders and customers in one click. More. Manage orders. View, edit, delete orders here. See all details. Product name, SKU, quantity, price, billing, and shipping info and more. Manage products. Our server-side processing technology lets you manage all your products at once. Manage customers. All customers are instantly tracked and displayed in Dropshiply. All new orders on your store will also automatically update here. Manage multiple listings. Instantly publish a new listing. Manage multiple listings or edit all existing listings. Sync orders. All orders in your stores will be automatically synced to Dropshiply in real time. Auto order technology. Dropshiply places the order and fills out the address with one click. Product watchdog. Watch for all the price changes and automatically update them. Inventory watchdog. Keeps an eye on inventory changes and automatically restock products. You'll never sell something your vendor ran out of. Price monitor. Monitor every price changes and automatically update it. Inbuilt pricing margins. Create pricing rules so you can have consistent margins for all the products you sell. Product reports. Get full reports on how many products have been sold on your stores. WooCommerce integration. Dropshiply fully integrates with WooCommerce so you can have all your products displayed in your dashboard. Inbuilt App Store. Dropshiply has a built-in app store where you can download our free and paid e-commerce apps to grow your business and improve your traffic, marketing and sales. Premium themes. Our theme store includes over 100 free and premium professionally designed e-commerce themes that you can use for your own store. 20+ API integration. Dropshiply easily integrates with 20+ APIs to make your life and work easier and faster. Autoresponder and email integration. We have direct integrations with Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and Sendy. You can also integrate with any other app with our custom integrations. Dozens and dozens of more amazing features. You will be able to build six-figure dropshipping empires. Dropshiply. David Farah's Dropshiply